Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Just a quick severe weather update for some of these severe storms in portions of Kentucky and Illinois. We have a line of storms that has been sparking some severe thunderstorm warnings for 60-mile-per-hour winds and 0.75-inch hail. So this is what our storm looks like currently. We have a large line with actually an outflow boundary, which is what this little, I'll separate it. Ooh, and green is not a good color to use, but I will separate this. So this little line right here in front of it is actually our outflow boundary. Um, so sometimes that can spark rotation, but let's look at our velocities. I'm not saying too much rotation. Uh, no really tight areas. Might have something right here near Mount Vernon. I don't believe we do, as that's not associated under any reflectivity. We will have to watch this area right here. I don't think that's gonna do too much. But yeah, let's take a look at our possible wind speed. Got some areas up to around 50, maybe up to 55 miles an hour. So definitely, I see why they put a severe thunderstorm warning on this storm for sure. But as of now, it's not too wide across. Like last night, how we had a possible derecho, and we will have to see if that was ever classified as a derecho. But this could maybe be able to do something like what happened last night. But there's also a severe thunderstorm watch in this area, and this says scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 mile per hour likely, isolated large hail events to 1 inch in diameter possible, and then a tornado or two is also possible. But we have some power outages being caused by this storm, and we did just get a new reflectivity scan, so we will be having a new velocity scan here shortly if we have not already gotten one. And I believe we did get that scan in. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update in this area. There's actually a slight risk, and we are getting some reports of some damaging winds. So some power lines, power poles are down, and then we have some more large tree limbs down, and then some more trees down, and then also uh, yeah, mostly power lines and tree limbs down. Um, but it says trees down, large limbs broken due to outflow winds. So even ahead of these storms, just this outflow boundary is causing some very strong winds right right ahead of this storm. So it is definitely causing some winds, probably up to maybe 50 miles an hour. So very, very strong winds just with this outflow from that storm. So make sure you're staying indoors and bringing anything else that is outside indoors or strapping it down. And then this is actually from these storms last night, that possible derecho that we had, and and that did go through Omaha, Nebraska. And I do want to mention all of the county was without power as of last night, actually. And this one county still has 94% of their customers without power. And then Omaha still has 27,600 without power. That is over half of the county. But both of those, 100% of the county was out last night. So that was a very strong storm that had up to 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts in some areas. So that was a very crazy storm last night. I was not live streaming that as we are still trying to get that set up here, and that our mic was still having some troubles last night. But hopefully we will be able to do more live streams on the Georgia Storm Trackers or Southeast Weather YouTube channel. So make sure to go check those out and subscribe so that you can get more updates, as I also post videos on the Georgia Storm Trackers YouTube channel as well. So with that, thank you for watching. And that was all just for this quick update. Oh, and also, I want to mention that our tropical system is not showing up, but our tropical system now has a 70% chance to develop in an area that looks like this. So that's what our area looks like, basically. And this system is somewhere, I believe, out here, where that X is. So that is supposed to be able to make its way up, and it has a 70% chance to develop. But it is now not supposed to swing out to sea. It is supposed to be able to get into the Gulf of Mexico and form into a tropical storm, maybe even a lower end hurricane. And then we will get that trough that eventually will dig down, that will stall it about this area, most likely. And that could cause it to make two landfalls, as it could possibly come up over here and then come back around because of that trough. So with that, thank you for watching, and that's all for this quick little update, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one, everybody.